Thanks for turning to 10.
NBC 10 News Sunrise.
Thank you for turning to 10. This is Southern New England's news leader.
Reported dead after the government retakes control in Turkey. Fire hits a Taunton home for the third time in 2 months, and a deadly crash shuts down a busy stretch of Route 1. But we begin with an interfaith service in Kingston today to support a local mosque that was vandalized. Good evening, everyone. I'm Barbara Moore Silva. So many people showed up for today's event that some could not actually make it inside the building. For those who did make it inside, NBC 10's Matt Reed reports they heard from religious and local leaders vowing to do their part to put an end to hatred.
It was standing room only inside the Muslim Community Center of Kingston Saturday afternoon as reverends, rabbis, politicians, and the public came together to show their support for the Muslim community in Rhode Island.
Your presence here tells me I should not be afraid.
Saturday's interfaith service comes just one day after the community center was vandalized, with the words Muhammad, prophet of butchers, spray painted on the walls of the building.
When this happens to any one of our houses of worship, it happens to all of us.
This isn't the first time the Rhode Island Muslim community has been victims of hate speech. Back in February of 2015, the Islamic School of Rhode Island was vandalized with the words pigs and expletives referencing Muhammad. While police continue to search for suspects in both incidents,